Hi everyone, is your Frigidaire water filter stuck? Usually to release it you push and take it out, but sometimes no matter how hard you push on it, it just will not come out no matter what. Well, in this video I'll show you how to take apart the housing around it to get that out. The only tool you need is a Phillips drive screwdriver, but as you can see here I have a number of extensions attached here. That's because there's one screw back there that's really hard to reach. We're actually getting started behind the refrigerator. We need to turn off the water supply. In my case, it's a pull to turn off valve, but in your case, it might be a twist knob. Okay, now let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is we need to remove this plastic housing. To do so, you're going to lift this cover that exposes the light bulbs, and there's a screw right over there to take out. Here's a tip, put a towel down over here. You're gonna need it for when we disconnect the filter, but it also will help you not lose screws through the crack over there. Now that the screw is removed, you'll be able to pull this plastic cover right out. Okay, next we are going to remove the water connections. These compression fittings, to remove them, you simply push up on the blue rings here and then pull the tube down. You can actually do it with one hand. Push up and then pull the tube down. There we go. And then same thing for the other side. Push up and then pull the tube down. Next step is removing 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one is way on top over there, and that's what you need the extension for. There's that 4th screw right over there. Okay, now that we've done that, we can go ahead and take that housing off. To do so, you're going to slide it down and take it out. So sometimes the problem is that these little tabs here, one of them becomes loose, and then this part of the housing becomes crooked, and the parts inside that hold on to the water filter then can't release. Okay, so to take this back part of the housing off, you push this tab inwards that way, this one this way. You can just use your finger to do it. Although if you need to, you can use a screwdriver as well, a little flat blade one. This one there. Now you're going to take it off. Don't do it too quickly because there are springs in there that will fly out. There you go. And this part is what holds the water filter. You might have to slide it to release. So it might take a little bit of time, but keep pushing it back and forth, and at some point when you push it, there you go, it'll kind of be able to come out. And once that's out, there's nothing holding the water filter to this part anymore. There you go. We've just released our water filter. Okay, let's put it all back together. So to do that, first thing we're going to do is we are going to assemble this part and this part together here. Notice the wider part matches. But of course we need the springs to go in between. The way I like to do it is first get the springs in there. Then what I like to do is put this little tab in right in between, sideways, even though that's not the way it goes, but you'll see why in a second. Sideways like that, where the little tab is right between the 2 springs. Then we're going to twist it, which also ends up spreading the springs apart until you can see the springs are on either side of that plastic piece. And it's able to move around in either direction, but it always centers back on its own. Next, we are going to put this part back in gently so you don't let everything fall back out. Line everything up like that, and then simply push. You should see that all of your tabs engaged. If they didn't, push it a little further, just like that. Okay, back to the refrigerator. Okay, now you simply put this part back in. It's going to be easier now without the water filter attached to it. You slide it up, 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 up until it fits just like that. Then you put your 4 screws back in. You no longer need the super long extension because there's no water filter here. Okay, just like that. Now we are going to reconnect our water. The nice thing about these connections is to reconnect the water, you simply put it back in. Push. That's it. Then the other one, line up and push. That's it. You can confirm that it's in, but that's all you need to do. Next, we are going to put that cover back on over here. Now you need to lift, slide it in, and then put the screw back in there. If the light bulb was burning your hand, just feel free to remove it and put it back later. Just like that. And now we put our water filter back in. Push and release. The only thing left to do is turn on your water. And that's it. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thanks, bye.